Oh, it is freezing out here. So I gotta go to Menards today. So we are actually gonna take the fun ends, but it got way below 32 degrees last night. So it's not gonna start real great. But I did plug it in for about 3 hours. I plugged it in about 7:30. It's about 10, so maybe 2.5. We'll plug this here. And see if it will start. I'll set the camera right here. You gotta press the pedal down just a little bit. Oh yeah! Turn on my heat here. Yep. That's the one thing with the comments versus the 6.9 is that it starts in cold weather. 6.9 wouldn't even start if it was, even if it was plugged in, it wouldn't start. So we are going to replace the power panel in the shop, breaker panel, circuit panel, whatever panel you call it. Due to the fact that it is old and the front panel is not staying on anymore, don't mind all this breaker mess. I'm just pulling them off because some of these are burnt, and then there is no main shut-off in there. And I don't believe I got a new main shut-off one. Sorry for the wind. And this one, which is perfectly fine. But we are also having power issues with keeping the power on in the pole barn because we plug in tractors. So technically we're upgrading our breakers because the old ones could be failing or tripping when not necessary. We are monitoring how much wattage we are using, amperage, whichever term you'd like to use. But there are also things like the air compressor is tied into those outlets, and there's just not enough room in there, and doing it this way we have enough room to do so. So I'm laid out my panel, making sure everything is there, and the next thing I'm going to do is to start to tear out this old panel. I'm hoping it won't take long. I've already shut off the power over at the main box, so it should be pretty simple. Okay, we got this stupid panel out, and boy was it a pain. The real problem was it's getting all the bottom wires out, which I think I got them out. I'm hoping no more fall down in there, which I don't think they will. But what do you want, cat? So here's the old panel. Kind of pretty rusty. I gotta take some Romex connectors off. But other than that, we're ready to put in the new one. So here we go. So as you can see, the power is back on. Well, after that last clip, I went to put in the box and I had to drill a hole. And then I had a hard time getting the cover on before I put in all the wiring. And by then, it was about 7, 8 o'clock at night and it was dark. And with not proper lighting, you would have not been able to see me. So what's the point of recording? That's why we're recording now. So we got the panel back in. I didn't know if I mentioned this or not. It's an Eaton panel, not recommended anymore. We just got a 60 for our welder. And then a bunch of these. I have to mark them yet. But that's another activity for another day. I also did get all the light bulbs changed in here, so it is now super bright. So we should be able to see what we're doing now. Yeah. So glad that's done, and we can move on to the next project. So next Thursday is Thanksgiving. I'm hoping everybody has a blessed Thanksgiving. I know I won't be going anywhere because I milk cows in the afternoon, but who cares? I don't think anybody's going to be going anywhere this year. And even if you are, safe travels. Hopefully you don't hit any turkey on the way there. If so, just throw it in the oven. But yeah, so that's kind of going to wrap up this video. I know I didn't show a lot of footage of me putting the wires in the panel, but I really had no other choice. So yeah. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you're new here, and we will see you in the next one.